Hey, is that you, Tahsin?
Yeah.
Do you remember me from school?
Sorry, I don't remember you. Did we study together?
Yeah, we lived in same dorm. Do.
Where did you live on?
I lived in 9th floor and you lived in 7th floor.
How do you know me?
I would see you in the elevator sometimes.
Sorry, I don't remember you.
It's alright. It was several years ago.
Well, nice to meet you again.
Dhrovo.
Ahnaf Dhrovo?
Yeah.
Oh.
See, finally you recognized me.
So where do you live now?
I lived in an apartment.
Do you live with your parents?
No, they moved this country.
Oh, very sad. They must be happy with you.
They're always happy.
Do you live alone?
No, I share my apartment with my younger brother. What about you, Tahsin?
I live on an apartment. I'm by myself.
Oh, do you like your apartment?
Yes, but it's light of noisy.
Oh, I see. I think you should complain your neighbors.
Oh, no. I'm the one who makes the noise.
Oh, thank you, Tahsin.
Okay, nice to meet you.